Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to start new chapter sound. Okay? All of you listen various types of sound in your surrounding. These sound may be the sound of birds, animals, human beings, machines, television set, etc. We listen various types of sound. Now children, you have seen that this sound is produced due to vibration. The basic cause of production of sound is vibration. Sound is very important part in our life. We can communicate with each other by sound. When we speak, sound is produced. The other person listens the sound. Again, he speaks and we listen the sound. So, sound plays very important role in communication. And the basic cause of production of sound is vibration. Okay, children? Now, you should know, children, that this sound is produced by different ways. We can produce sound by rubbing. We can produce sound by shaking. We can produce sound by blowing. We can produce sound by plucking. When you play with sitar or guitar, what you do? You pluck the string. So, sound may be produced by striking. When you make a noise, then sometimes your teacher strikes the lecture desk and tells you to stop to make a noise. So, you can see sound may be produced due to plucking. Like in sitar and guitar, sound is produced by plucking the string. Sometimes sound is produced by blowing, like in flute. Okay, harmonium, sound is produced by blowing, or sound is produced by shaking, sound is produced by rubbing. So, sound may be produced by different ways. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy. Energy means it enables you to do work. Okay, you can do any work due to sound. If you don't listen what someone is saying to you, you cannot do the work. So, it is a form of energy. And you have read in the previous class, sound can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be changed only from one form to other form. It is called transformation of energy. Or it is, you know children, it is the law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be only changed from one form to other form. Like you must have seen, you use room heater during winter season. What happens in room heater? That electrical energy is converted into heat energy and light energy. The coil becomes red hot. So, you can see there is conversion of energy from one form to other form. It is called law of conservation of energy. There are various forms of energy like light energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, potential energy, mechanical energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy is collectively called mechanical energy. So, there are various forms of energy and they are interconvertible, means they can be changed from one form to other form. Now, what is the basic cause of sound? The basic cause of sound is vibration. Now, what is vibration? To and fro motion of an object or back and forth motion of an object is called vibration, and sound is produced by vibration. Some activities are given in your book in which you will see how sound is produced. In first activity, it is written that you have to make a list of various kinds of sound you listen in the morning. You can make a list of various types of sound that you listen in the morning. Like you can hear the sound of washing machine in your house, or television set, or sound of birds, animals, human beings, etc. You have to make a list. The next activity, it is written that how sound is produced by ektara. In the picture it is shown that a musician is there and is using ektara. In ektara there is a single string, and when the string is plugged, the sound is produced. The expert musician may use bow to produce the sound in ektara. So second activity, you have seen how sound is produced in ektara by plucking the string. It is stringed instrument. In next activity, you have seen, children, that sound is produced by stressed membrane. That is, I have told you that there are three types of musical instrument. First one is stringed instrument, like ektara, sound is produced, or guitar, sitar, sound is produced by plucking the string. It is a stringed instrument. Next is percussion instrument, in which sound is produced by striking the membrane, like you can say mridang, tabla, drum. Sound is produced by striking the membrane. All of you must have seen during parade that drum is struck with a stick and sound is produced. So it is percussion instrument, where sound is produced by striking the stressed membrane. Next type of musical instrument is, I have written, children, that is wind instrument. All of you have seen that in the flute, in the harmonium, the sound is produced by air column. So this type of musical instrument is called wind instrument, like flute, harmonium, etc. So in all these cases, you will see that sound is produced, and the basic cause of sound is vibration. Vibration means to and fro motion or back and forth motion of an object. Now in the activity, it is seen that activity 4, what you have to see? You have to see that the basic cause of production of sound is vibration. Again, in activity 4 it is shown. Take a tin can. You must have seen, all of you have seen tin can, that when you go to mall, you can, all of you must be taking tin can. There is Coke or something like that, you use tin can. Now take a tin can and cut both the ends of the tin can. Suppose if it is tin can, you cut both the ends of the tin can. Now take one rubber balloon and stretch it at one end and tie it with a rubber band to hold at its position. Now put the can vertically. Now you have to say any member of your family to shout on the open end. Okay, children? Now when your brother or sister will shout at the open end, then you will see, firstly you will put some rice grains on the flat surface of the rubber balloon, and then you tell your family member to shout from the other end. Then you will see, children, the rice grains jump up and down. Okay, so you can see that sound is produced by vibration. Once again I am repeating, children, you take a tin can and cut both the ends of the tin can with scissors. Now take a rubber balloon and tie it at one end of the tin can and put some rice grains on the rubber balloon. Now tell your brother to shout at the other end. Put the tin can vertically and tell your brother to shout at the other end. You will see the rice grains jump up and down. So you can observe that sound is produced by vibration. Okay children, yet now you have studied that sound is a form of energy. The basic cause of production of sound is vibration. And what is vibration? To and fro motion of an object is called vibration. And you have studied that the sound may be produced by striking, by plucking, by rubbing, by shaking, or by plucking. There are different methods to produce sound. Okay children? So you have studied all these things, all the activities you have to write in the notebook. Thank you.